Hello and welcome. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss how you can use the GHL subaccount PLR videos. Let's talk first about the front end or the resale rights version. And basically, as you as a rights holder, it's basically for you to use in order to resell to customers. So it's not for giveaways and you'll see specifics in the rights, but it's basically for you to resell to a customer. And first and foremost, we suggest you don't redo the videos in your own voice. Instead, you add the videos to your membership or your learning center, and then you let your subscriber list and your customers know. And you want to spend your time and focus branding your learning center and your membership and not so much redoing individual videos. It takes too much of your time and takes away from your marketing. Now, if you are making the course available for your customers to purchase, you just want to make it easy for you to deliver it. If you have your own sub accounts, you upload them and you get them ready for sale. And most people are going to opt to put up a sales page and send everybody else to them. But we suggest that you always be training your customers on a weekly basis. From that workshop, you can send your customers direct to the checkout page. So you should do basically what is your sales pitch. You should basically be telling the customer why they should be buying the course and what they're going to do with the information. For the most part, exactly what I'm doing with you here, except you want to tell them what they're going to do with the information once they learn it. And then once they hear what they're going to do with the information, you send them over to the checkout where they can get the content. Now, this is not an absolute, but in general, if you're doing a weekly workshop, there's going to be better content than your sales page and sending people to them. Now, of course, yes, you want to test everything, but when someone meets you for the first time and you're training them and you're showing them how they're going to benefit from something and you're actually teaching them, that can be a good transition over to them actually getting the product. And of course, if you don't know how to train, we give you a workshop which you can use where I am doing the training, and all you've got to do is add on your call to action where they can go and get your course. So who are the people who are going to be buying this course? Some people are going to actually own their own Go High Level agency, and they will be buying the course and they'll be looking to learn more. That's going to be rare because what they'd be doing is they'd actually be looking for the PLR more so than looking to know how to do it for themselves. Most of them know how to set up their sub account, but if they don't know, they might be interested in buying the course from you. Most of the people are going to have their own sub account, and they're going to get that sub account from a number of people. They typically get it as part of some package. Some online marketers sell it, some offline marketers sell it, and they will give their customers access to a sub account. And so the sub account user is using the package in order to run their online business. And so a person who has a sub account, where they have use of one, they can host their video courses there. They can sell their products. They have a website and a blog and everything from a custom domain. So it's basically a way for them to customize all the elements of an online business in one place. So that's who you're selling to. Someone who has access to an account and maybe doesn't know how to rate the account and how to get the most out of it. You will have a series to sell. This is volume 1 we are making available to you because there are a massive number of features that the sub account actually does. What you want to do, wherever you have your customers watching the course, you don't have to have it in a sub account. You want to place each individual video on its own watch page. And on each of those pages, you put a related offer with that video. So every video should be an opportunity for you to sell. So you want to watch the entire course. You want to see what relevant offers you can make available. And typically, I recommend that you don't send those customers to an affiliate offer. You want to try to have an offer, and many customers already have PLR. You want to make sure you're sending people to a relevant offer on your domain and circulate the money in your business. There is an unrestricted rights upgrade. I want to talk about what you will be doing with that content. It's a more flexible set of videos, and especially in terms of the rights, because you don't really have any constraints on how you can use it. So you can sell it to your customer so they can resell. So, you have private label rights with this particular upgrade. You can launch it as your own PLR product, and this will be especially helpful if you're in the make money online space. You can use it as your bonus. You can use it as an affiliate bonus. So you're promoting an affiliate product. You can use the upgrade in order to do that. One thing you can do is you can take the transcripts and you can use it for AI content, and you can create different things. If you have ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus, There are lots of things you can create just by uploading all of the transcripts together. You can use it as an upsell to the main product. So that doesn't necessarily require that you have unrestricted rights, but you can use it as a traditional upsell. So you don't have to be a solution in search of a problem. You can just make sure that it's part of the content that you make available to your customers from being in your membership. So these high-level sub-account videos are available at the plrshow.com/GHLSA. Now, all of our videos are available at 50% off the launch price, and you get access to the GHL sub-account platform to run your own online business. And you can do that by becoming an Ultimate Insider at the plrshow.com/insiders. Now, if you want to access any training that we have done, we do a weekend Q&A that's not available here on YouTube. In order to get access to our weekend Q&A, you can sign up live at the plrshow.com. You can also access our free training archive. You can watch all of our past archives of all the training that we have done on Saturday nights. And that database is searchable, and you can do that at the plrshow.com. So again, you can pick up the GHL sub-account videos at the plrshow.com/GHLSA. Thanks and have a great day.